All right, the big news coming in. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, remember right now, who has been at a tucker with direct war of words with Prime Minister Narendra Modi has now reacted on President Murmu as well. Here's what Rahul Gandhi has said. This, remember, with second phase now approaching, Rahul Gandhi's big Ram Mandir attack on Prime Minister Modi. He says, and this is what Congress earlier has also maintained, that President of the country was not invited because she's an Adivasi. Rahul Gandhi adds, Murmu is Adivasi, so the BJP denied a Mandir invite to her. President Murmu was not deliberately invited at the Ram Temple inauguration because she's an Adivasi, and he's alleging that there is discrimination and likely within the top leadership of the government at the centre, and that's the reason President Murmu also was not sent out an invitation. This is, remember, a direct target, and this mentions the President of the country, so it's likely going to be huge. Listen into what Rahul Gandhi said.
देखती रहे। आपने राम मंदिर का इनॉग्रेशन देखा, धूमधाम से हुआ। उधर आपने एक गरीब किसान को देखा, आपको एक मजदूर दिखा। राष्ट्रपति आदिवासी हैं, पार्लियामेंट का उद्घाटन होता है, राम मंदिर का उद्घाटन होता है, वो हेड ऑफ स्टेट है, मतलब प्रोटोकॉल में सबसे ऊंची हैं, उनको जाने तक नहीं दिया। शर्म की बात है, अंदर जाने तक नहीं दिया राष्ट्रपति को। क्यों? क्योंकि वो आदिवासी हैं।
This is a big charge that the Congress MP is making, and we'll wait for a reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party, the government, over this. Also from the Ram Mandir Trust, because they were the ones to have officially sent out the invitations. I want to bring in Rahul Gautam for the latest on that. Rahul, this in many ways is alleging that members associated with the Janmabhoomi Trust or part of the government or even the ruling party, that they are discriminatory in nature, that certain scheduled castes, tribes were not invited, but this mentions the president. And can I say, Rahul, that this was earlier also mentioned, if I'm correct, by the Congress party?
Absolutely. When inauguration ceremony of Ram Temple happened, at that point of time, also Congress party made a huge issue out of it, saying that why president is not being invited. And in fact, they made this charge that because she comes from tribal community, therefore she's being ignored, and that only lowers the dignity of president's house. Many Congress leaders suggested that this is happening so that the highest protocol could be accorded to Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the ceremony, and therefore, deliberately Draupadi Murmu, President, she is being ignored. And now Rahul Gandhi has repeated this charge in same context, saying that this shows the anti-tribal and anti-Dalit mindset of BJP. And when Ram Temple was inaugurated at that point of time, she was not invited, but at the same time, many billionaires, celebrities, and all sorts of rich people were invited by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Ram Temple Trust. So clearly, in a way, you can say that Rahul Gandhi is trying to create this narrative that how this government has been against the tribal community and Dalit community, and so to say, in the same context, he also suggested that this is being done, as per the ideology of BJP and RSS, which always
mentioned to target the BJP. Rahul, stay on with me. Listen in again to what Rahul Gandhi had said about President Murmu.
आपने राम मंदिर का इनॉग्रेशन देखा, धूमधाम से हुआ। उधर आपने एक गरीब किसान को देखा, आपको एक मजदूर दिखा। राष्ट्रपति आदिवासी हैं, पार्लियामेंट का उद्घाटन होता है, राम मंदिर का उद्घाटन होता है, वो हेड ऑफ स्टेट है, मतलब प्रोटोकॉल में सबसे ऊंची हैं, उनको जाने तक नहीं दिया। शर्म की बात है, अंदर जाने तक नहीं दिया राष्ट्रपति को। क्यों? क्योंकि वो आदिवासी हैं।